Hi everybody. This is rosanamod, your vessel and host. So today, like I promised, I wanted to show you my felt earrings. Now, these earrings I made from a design in my head. Okay, it was a design that I had drawn out on a piece of paper, not to do the earrings, but it was a design that I did with pencil, and I was just messing around, and I thought, it looks good on paper, but I can see it on my ears. I don't know why, but I did. I put them on here. And this is all you need. I'm going to save videos of me actually making the pieces, not the same pieces, but I'll try. Now, you know that I'm experimental, so I use a lot of different techniques and a lot of different mediums in my artwork. And that's why I don't have more than one pair of the things that you see. So if you buy these from my eBay store, you're only going to get these that I have on right now. If you wanted another pair just like this and they were already sold, I can make you another pair, but they're never going to be exactly the same because I don't like perfection when I do my handmaids. Just like I told you, I want them to look handmade. I don't want them to look like they're from China. Screw that. Okay, so these are the earrings. And all I did was, once I get my, by the way, I'm going to show you instructionals on these, videos on these. I work very fast, so I'll have to slow down the video. But when I get my 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to use that as a platform on memberships, and you'll be able to get like a lot of details on my instructions, and I'll probably draw out some kind of, or write out some kind of a instructional pamphlet or something that I can send to you, maybe, digitally to show you. You know what I mean? Or my own private video showing you how I make these. All right, I'm an idiot, seriously. Anyway, so these are the earrings. I don't know what's wrong with me sometimes, but whatever. Well, it's my flavor. Anyway, so again, it's felt. I got the felt from the dollar store. Unfortunately, yes, I'm trying to stop buying things at the dollar store. These are things that I've already gotten like years ago that I have in like my art box. I have this art bin. It's full of crap like this. So the felt, they come in like little squares of different color felts. Some of them have glitter, some of them don't. Some of them are rubber, some of them not. These are felts. And I got the colors that I like, which I really love this color. As you can see, it's not 100% straight because, like I said, I don't like it to look beautifully perfect. It's beautiful. It's more beautiful when it's imperfect, just like humans, right? We're better when we have imperfections. We don't all want to look, cookie cutter, like a cookie cutter. Everybody looks the same. Nobody wants to look like that, like Stepford Wives. Anyway, so this is basically, you're looking at it. I mean, how hard is that? I cut it, the square, and then I cut the oval, and then I glued it with hot glue gun, which I love, and then I cut little pieces and I put them on there to match, and then I put the jump ring, I put another jump ring, and I put a hypoallergenic hook, and voila, there is your earrings. Waterproof, they'll go in the water, nothing will happen to them because they're on your ears. Now, if I was going to make a t-shirt out of felt, then t-shirt, no, you can't. If I was going to make a t-shirt out of felt and you wore it in the rain, then of course it would ruin it, but this is on this. And also, look at it. It's very stiff, like in the middle, because all that glue makes it stiff. So it's not, the only parts that are soft are the ends. And if you didn't like the square and you wanted to cut it, you could just cut it and just make a whole new design. And if these were too long for you, you could just cut them in half and just use that part. Just throwing it out there. Okay, the next ones are those Italian cookies, the rainbow cookies from Alba's from the 18th Avenue in Brooklyn. Remember that store? That's my old neighborhood. Anyway, I'm going to show you in a minute. Hold on. Do they look familiar? Do you know those cookies that I'm talking about? Okay, yes, they're a little thicker than this, and the brown is probably not that brown. It's the only brown I had. It's like a darker brown, the ones I used, but you get the picture. And again, these are so easy to make, and they're so lightweight. Look how cute they are. Look. I love these cookies. They're so good. Send me these cookies from your bakery shop. Come on, you got a bakery shop. Send them to me. These are my favorite. They are. And then I made long ones. See? These are longer. The other ones are shorter. You know, how do you explain it? And then you just get the different colors. You see the difference? So if you like the longer earrings, you know, they're so cute. I just think they're so cute. If I wore these, you know, you could do whatever you want on them too. You could draw on them if you wanted. I was very tempted to put something on here because I don't like plain things like this normally, but I wanted it to look like a cookie. And I also have ideas on how to make chocolate chip cookies. I don't have any yet, but I'm gonna make those. I'll show you. Okay, next one. I couldn't put it on because I was like, I didn't want to put it on. These are the cookies. They're the same, and these are basically what you see is what you get. It's a pin. How did I do this? These are not doilies. You know how like when you go to the bakery store, they have the little cookies or the marzipans, or no, not the marzipans. Yeah, I guess, you know, the little strawberries and chocolate or whatever that are on these little doilies, right? Okay, what this is lace from a roll, and they got little hearts on them, and I thought they were so cute. So I made a circle, right? Glued it together, and then I put a backing. I don't know if it's easier for you to see it this way. It's white, but see? A white backing, white felt backing, and then I added this to it, all crazy glued, hot glued. And then I covered the circle, which would have been left exposed if not for these cookies on top of it. And that's it. And I made ones that were like the Italian flag color, and then I made other ones with the yellow. So it's like yellow. And that's it. So I guess you could wear these as earrings. I'm game for that. I'd wear them. I put little hooks on these. You could make earrings and then take them off and use them as pins. I think they're great. They're fantastic. Fantastic. Okay, and this is the last pair that I have of my felt, which again, I was experimenting at about the same time that I was using the string on the bronze wooden geometric earrings, those big ones where I put the string around it. So it's the same string. And actually these, I was debating whether or not to put a dangly stone on it, because if you look close, you'll see that there's like a little hook thing on it. See? I was going to put a stone on it, but then I don't know why I left it like that. I don't know. I was going to, but I didn't. I kind of left it that way. But it could use a nice little different color stone there. And that's all it is. There it is. Look, it is what it is. It's a piece of yellow. Is this yellow? No, it's not yellow. It's like a lime green. And I made a roll into it. I flattened it out, and then I put a turquoise blue around it, and then I just went around with the string over and over until it looks like that. And it's actually pretty hard. It's like you could see that it's felt, but you're not really sure. It kind of looks like just fabric, right? It does need the stones, doesn't it? Okay, so that's it for the felt. I mean, that was quick, right? So you have now the ideas on how to make them. Okay, so, all right, so I'll talk to you soon. That's all, seriously, in all seriousness. That's all I wanted to do. So I decided that once I get 1,000 subscribers, I'll be making instructional videos, and I will show you step by step how to make all of these. I'll duplicate these, but they're never going to be the same because I don't want them to be the same. So if you're interested in any of these earrings and you want them, just know you'd be the first, okay, to buy these, because that's all that I have. This is it for the felt. I don't have any more made. You would be the first ones to get the very first ones that I've ever made. And if you want, I could probably date them in the back or something. None of these are dated or signed. Okay, so I'll talk to you soon. The next video is going to be glue. You don't want to miss that. I'm telling you. You're going to be blown away. You're going to say, wow, I never thought about that. I'm brilliant. I'm brilliant. That's all I needed to say. Just know it, believe it, and subscribe. All right. God bless you. I love you. And what do we say? We say ciao.